Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how the Spotify family plan works. First, open your browser and go to the Spotify website. Now click on the Premium tab at the top of the page. Then scroll down and click on Family Plan from the available options. Here you'll find the full details. The Spotify Premium Family Plan lets you add 6 individual premium accounts, perfect for family members who live under the same roof. The total cost is $19.99 per month, which means you're paying less per person compared to individual plans. And yes, you can cancel anytime without any extra charges. Now, click on Get Started to subscribe. You'll need to log into your Spotify account or create one if you don't already have one. After logging in, you'll be asked to enter your home address. This step is important because Spotify verifies that all members on the plan live at the same location. Next, you can send invites to up to 5 people using their email addresses or through an invite link. Each invited member needs to accept the invite and confirm they live at the same address. Once they join, every person will have their own separate account, which means their own playlist, liked songs, and recommendations. Everyone joins ad-free music, offline downloads, and the freedom to listen to whatever they like without interrupting each other. And that's how the Spotify family plan works. Shared cost, individual experience. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.